But guys, as you can see, once you remove the manifold out of the way, this is what it looks like. So basically, this is the coil right here. There's one coil here, one plug here. There's a plug, there's coil, and coil on this side, and also three on this side as well. And it's the same. There's a wire harness to each of the coil, and the screw, 10mm screws on each of the coil. That's how to hold them together. And that's what we're doing. That's how you're gonna remove it first. So remove the coil, and then we just take out the. Show you how to take out the spark plug right after. 10mm. Screw up my hands fine when it's loose. There's one, and I can see this wire harness right here. You can actually pull it out first too if you want, and then you can squeeze the wire harness. And here you go, squeeze it. A little tough if you're doing it first time. There we go. That's it, and here is the coil. That's what it looks like. Oh, not that bad, believe it or not, but you brought all new ones so we can replace them all. Alright, that's what it looks like. As you can see, I want you to remove the coil. As you can see inside there's a spark plugs in there, so that's what we'll be removing next. Alright guys, I'm actually trying to get out the, actually I am taking out the spark plug, which is the cylinder number 1. This is 1, 3, and 5. You know, just make sure you don't strip it. Nice and easy. There we go.
What size is the spark plug socket?
I will show you the spark plug socket right after. Hold on. It has to be like a spark plug socket, which is have the rubber inside of it. Let me show you once I get it out of here. Hold on 1 second. I got one out. There we go. You can see here the spark plug, and this is a cylinder number 1. Alright, I want to show you that. That's all right here. Hey guys, here's the new spark plug. We got a Denso from Rock Auto. Believe it or not, Rock Auto, you look at it, cheap price. It's pretty reasonable price, and it's brand name too. So that's what it looked like. I did have a 4-pack. This individual packs of spark plugs. And here it is. All you have to do for now, this is a 5/8 spark plug socket, which has the rubber inside. Just snug in there, and that's what we're doing. Basically guys, you make sure you do not want to use a power tool for this. You want to manually put it in, like with a wrench. And you want to hand free it first. Make sure the spark plug actually go in smoothly, and before you actually use the wrench and tighten it up. So I'm doing right here, squeezing it in. Make sure nice and snug. Okay, it's pretty good. Now just use your wrench. There you go. All you need to do. Here's our new coil, and all we have to do is just say this is it's an individual coil. This is it's universal. It doesn't matter which one you use. It's the same coil for all 6. So it should not matter the cylinder you put it in. It's all the same. So put it right straight and snug it in. Line the hole with the screws, where the screws goes. And what you're gonna do, I like to do one at a time, just in it's much easier, so that way you don't have a chance of putting like a bolt inside your engine block or something. So just make sure you push right in, and then hand the screw back. Alright, for the solder number 1, when you change this coil, we recommend you put in the wire harness first. Will be easier, which is right here. Let me see. Hope you're not blocking it. So you want to put that wire harness in first. Not blocking you. Go. Tighter. We are good for this one. Now you want this is the second one, which is the solder number 3, and just loosen the screws out and take out the coil and unplug the wire harness. That's what I'm doing. Just basically it's the same procedure for all 6. Take out the wire harness, take out the screws, and pop out the coil. Get to the spark plug. One. Let's see. The screws. The screws, and just take out the coil. Pop out, and here it is. Believe it or not, this coil pretty good. Looks pretty new still, but it's pretty long. It's pretty old, so we just have to change them. Put them all new in. All right. Okay. Snug in. Sure the, and then don't want to force it too much. Break it. There we go. Now, there, you can feel it. There you go. Here's spark plug number 2. Hey guys, I just want to let you know, like I'm going to do all 6, same procedure. So that's what I'm showing you how to do it right now, and that's what I'm doing. So basically I'm changing all the 6 spark plug and 6 coils. You should put the wire harness back on, and that's all you need to do. Doing the same procedure for all 6.